Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, we're making a Negroni. Negroni is a very simple cocktail to make. 3 ingredients: gin, Campari, Sweet Vermouth. Now the story behind the Negroni is 100 years ago, Count Camillo Negroni walked into his local cafe and demanded a stronger drink than the typical Americano. Now, Americano is Campari, Sweet Vermouth, and soda water. And his fellow buddy, bartender there, said, Camillo, I got you. You're all set today. I'm gonna put gin instead of the soda water to spice up your drink. And he said, okay, let's go. And then he used a orange peel instead of a lemon peel to really identify the Negroni. Let's get started. Let's make the drink. We're gonna use 1 ounce of a London dry gin. This is Broker's gin, great gin. We're gonna pour 1 ounce into our old-fashioned glass. Next, we're gonna use a Campari. Campari is a nice bitter Italian liqueur. Also 1 ounce. Then we're gonna use a Sweet Vermouth. Today we're using the Antica formula. It's a great vermouth for this cocktail. The vanilla notes really pairs well with the Campari. Also 1 ounce. That's it, your 3 ingredients in your 1 glass. Now we're gonna add ice. Next step is we're gonna stir. We're gonna stir real quickly, just to mix the 3 ingredients. You don't wanna overdose the drink. Should be good there. Then we're gonna add the orange peel. Nice healthy swath of orange. Here we go. We're gonna put a little oil there and coat the outside. So when you bring the drink up to your mouth, you really taste the oils of the citrus. Then we're gonna plop the orange, just like that. And folks, there you have it, the Negroni. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. It's a great cocktail. The vanilla really pairs well with the bitterness of the Campari. Really makes you want to go out and get a seafood Diablo. Well, folks, if you like what you saw, please like the video, subscribe to our channel for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.